Sunfish HR Service has the Organization Structure menu, which enables the authorized user to add a company policy and announcement. Furthermore, the company policy and announcement that the user made can be displayed on the dashboard. This video will show you how to add a new company policy and announcement, along with displaying those on the dashboard. Let's go to Organization Structure, Company Policy. Then, you'll see the records of company policy. Now, click the plus button to add a new company policy. In this set form, filling the fields marked with an asterisk is a must. At this moment, begin typing the policy name in 2 languages. Next, expand the organization unit options and choose an option. Then, type in the summary of the company policy in About field. Afterwards, type in the policy number. Now, fill the date when the policy will be applied. You can also pick the date using this calendar icon. In the next field, you'll see the revision field. If you're revising the policy that has been published before, you can type the number of times it has been revised and fill the revision date. Still, you can pick the date using the calendar icon. In the policy content field, you can type in the additional information about the policy. It can be typed in 2 languages as well. When done, choose the option for display field. Select Yes to show the policy on the corporate news dashboard of the employee. Next, choose in what grade the policy will apply. You can select an option, or select multiple options with Ctrl plus mouse click, or select all options, then move it to the right box. The last field enables you to attach any additional file for the policy. The file must match the file format in File Extension field. Once you have finished, you'll see 2 buttons at the bottom of the page. Click Cancel to abort adding a new policy. Click Submit to save the new policy. Then, you'll see the new policy appear on the records list. You can edit the company policy that you have just created. Click the policy code and the edit page will appear. You can modify the data as you wish. At the bottom of the page, there are 3 buttons. Click Submit to update any changes made in the edit page. Click Delete to delete the policy. Click Cancel and you will return to the previous page. To see the policy description, click on the policy name link. You can print the description by clicking Print icon. Close the window to return to the previous page. Second, to add a new announcement, go to Organization Structure menu and click Announcement. Once it is opened, you'll see the records of the announcement in your company. Now, let's add a new announcement. Click the plus button to open the Add page. A form will appear. Type in the title of the announcement in Subject field. Then, type in the content of the announcement in the Announcement field. You can type it in 2 languages. Afterwards, click Choose File if you have any file to be attached. Remember that the file format follows the requirement. Next, choose the option to show the announcement. Choose in the period. If the announcement is shown based on the period's date, choose every day. If the announcement will be shown every day or shown on working days from Monday to Friday, choose in the rotation. If you are going to show the announcement in the selected period and to determine the rotation that the announcement is repeated, choose in the period. You can add an image to the announcement by clicking on Choose File here. Then, type in the start date and end date. You can pick the date using this calendar icon either. If you have completed the form, you'll see 2 buttons at the bottom of the page. Click Cancel to abort adding a new announcement. Click Submit to save the announcement. Then, it will appear on your records. You can edit the announcement that has been created by clicking on the request number. Afterwards, an edit page will appear. You can modify the data in this form. At the bottom of the page, there are 3 buttons. Click Delete to delete the announcement. Click Submit to update the changes. If no data to be edited, click Cancel to return to the previous page. The last thing that you need to do is to display that company policy and the announcement on the dashboard. Now, click the dashboard icon in line with the module's name. You'll see the slide menu in this page. Click to open the slide menu and add a new page. To make it short, you can type in the menu to be added on the dashboard. Type Company Policy. Then, click and drag it to the right side. Again, type Announcement. Click and drag it to the right side. The company policy and announcement then appear on the dashboard. Finally, you will be able to add a new company policy and announcement for your company.